Hey, Mini, ¿cómo estás?
Today, after a long wait, and after my surgery, and after getting a bacteria in my ear, we are finally heading out in La Chota. We might have a little surprise, but if not, at least we're going to have some relaxation, and we'll show you the beautiful place we're heading to. On our way north, and we are passing Malibu Pier, which you'll be able to see soon in one of our reels. Stay tuned for that. Look how beautiful all the little mountains along the coast are, nice and green and flowery. I'll try to get some scenery of that too. And today we see this. Apparently 59 people since 2010 have died on this road. I'm gonna have to do some research what this is all about. So I just read that the tire is a memorial to all the people that have died on that intersection, that they're asking for it to be fixed. So in 2010, there was this 13-year-old girl who was crossing the street to meet her dad, and she was ran over by a car. But just recently, 4 sorority girls from Pepperdine University, which we were driving right through, also got killed in a car accident. So it's been a total now of 59 people since 2010 that have died on that intersection, and they're asking for some sort of measure to obviously fix whatever situation is happening that people speed through that intersection. Quite sad. I was not aware of it, but it's nice that that memorial makes you think twice about when driving on this road, which is very windy and uphill and downhill, and you should really take it slow. We are approaching my favorite downhill here in Malibu, because look at how beautiful the ocean looks. Unfortunately, it got overcast. It was nice and sunny earlier today, and all of a sudden we got to this area and it started to become a little foggy. Nothing like fog on the coast, but look at how beautiful that bit of a peninsula comes out into the ocean. There is a lot of construction and repairs going on PCH because of all the avalanches and mudslides that have happened due to the amount of rain that we had this year. So we're taking it easy and going slow on the scenic route up Northern California. And did you know that there is a Malibu Beach RV park just up the hill? I can't imagine it being cheap, but if you're ever in a pinch and you're around in this area and you can't find a spot along the road, there is an RV park around here. And here you can see how the scenery has changed when there's no longer houses and all we can see are the cliffs and the ocean. Wish it was a clearer day, but it has definitely opened up the road, and I'm sure that we'll follow some more construction, but look how pretty it looks today. Taking it nice and easy. On our way first to Oxnard to see if we find some fruit. Check out the dunes. There's nobody sliding down today. How crazy. So these dunes are along the edge of the road, which is always a little scary to me, but you can bring things to slide down on them. And while you're sliding down, you can look at the ocean. It's pretty cool. Continues to get nice and cloudy. So we're nearing Port Hueneme, and you can see there's crops galore. They plant all sorts of things over here, and usually in the springtime and summertime you're able to shop for all sorts of fruits, especially strawberries. They are big on strawberries around here, but look how pretty all the fields. Sometimes you come by and you see people actually picking the fruits and veggies. Oh, Andrés.
Aquí el campercito, el lindo, mire, pasando el túnel.
Parece que fuera viejo, pero no lo es. Los hacen para que se vean viejos. Es una marca que se llama Retro. Y los hacen a propósito para que se vean como campercitos viejos. So we're about to arrive in our favorite little empanada place. And usually they are closed Monday through Thursday. They open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Yet, Che Empanadas, which is what it's called on Instagram or online, if you call ahead, he will get you the order ready. So we called about a half an hour ahead, and he lives close by. and he decided that it was cool for us to come by and pick up the empanadas, so we'll show you soon. All right, so I went from being cold this morning to putting on a sweater to now being hot. But look, we are having beautiful sunny California weather, and we are about 16 miles from Santa Maria. We're actually going to be staying at a farm today, which is exciting. We'll show you the farm through one of the harvest hosts. Andres, how do you feel about staying at a harvest host tonight?
I'm excited to see all the animals.
I'm excited for the little store they have because they plant lavender, and so I'm sure that they're going to have lavender soaps and lavender creams and lavender that we can put a little bunch inside la chata and have it smell lovely. But they also have pigs and they have goats, and hopefully they have some farm fresh eggs that we can have for breakfast tomorrow.
And they have 2 little chairs that we can get some wine.
Yes, we're definitely going to be shopping for some wine. And maybe tonight is a little charcuterie and a little, what should we say, date night? Especially since we had a canceled live today, unfortunately. The people that we were going to have a live with canceled on us. So we have a whole afternoon of relaxing. I am looking forward to that. Relaxing with nature and animals is my cup of tea.
Yeah.
Look at that gorgeous thing over there. Andres is always spotting all the classics. What I want to show you is, look at this. We are in vineyard area, and with all the rains, everything is so green. It's literally like the hills come alive. Look, all of those are wine grapes. Yum, yum, yum. We're gonna have to find maybe a little petite sirah, a cab. No, we can't do any of those because Andres and I are allergic to the tannins. So maybe a shard or a Gewürztraminer. It's more what we can do. Back to spooky and drab and overcasted, but still so beautiful because all the hills are nice and green. And look at all this wild mustard growing on the hills. And of course the ocean on the other side, which is hard to see with overcast, but it's right over there. Through these trees, ocean over on that side. On the other side, ocean through over there. And Andres has been the driver today because I'm still supposed to not be driving. So we're taking it slow. Going through Pismo Beach right now. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, we are arriving at our harvest host, and look at how gorgeous this area is. We just passed a mission that we're going to show you later. But first, we're trying to arrive to our harvest host in time to do our check-in.
Turn left onto
And just look at this, it's vineyards galore. We can hear all the frogs already. The sun's starting to come down. See? Hey, Minnie, are you ready? Are you ready? Hey, Donkey, what about you? Are you ready? He's looking at me. Of course he's looking at me. Are you guys ready for a day of adventure with a bunch of other little animals
I'm ready.
in a place that's going to smell amazing?
Immediately.
We are so ready for a day's out. Look at what big doggies we just found. Hi, beautiful creature. Hey, have you guys seen doggies before? Doggies like this? Yeah, you guys have seen horses before. Say hello, say hello.
Yes, sir. Spectacular.
Andres is gonna be feeding the goats. He's practicing for when we have a farm.
You want to try?
Just stay right there. Run on top of it.
Yes.
Ahí, mira ahí.
Yeah, right in there. Over here to the gate. Yeah.
And they get fresh water, the little piggies.
La primera impresión de Cremini. Mira,
So our morning routine is that we get up. Andres is the one that makes the bed. Me, well, I make breakfast. And for today, I'm gonna make myself some cafecito, probably some agua panela for Andres. We have some cinnamon raisin bagels and some sausage, some fruit. So here it is. Making the bacon and la chata is always a little bit of a challenge because you really have to put your whole body into it. It ends up being a workout, huh, Andres?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But he's become an expert at it.
Mira, a ver qué nos está haciendo hoy Chávez.
Y vamos a comer bagels con quesito crema y choricito de manzana. Bueno, es de pollo, pero tiene manzana y queso gouda.
Qué rico.
Para no tener que prender el horno, vamos a tostar los bagels en el sartencito también. Have you seen our pull-out pantry before? In those 3 inches, we store a lot of things. So Andres is taking out the coffee, which he doesn't actually drink coffee. He just likes the smell.
Mm-hmm.
And he's taking out the agua panela. Right there, right there. For me to make him some, because that's what he normally has for breakfast. Voy haciéndome un cafecito latica. No sé por qué los últimos 2 días he estado súper antojada de café. Y si han visto este método antes o han ido a Costa Rica en algún restaurante típico, les han de haber hecho el cafecito así. El secreto está en echar el agua bien despacito.
Ok, ya el desayunito aquí. Listo. Delicioso. Ok, este es el nombre de la granja. Se llama Humble's Farm. Tiene lavanda y aquí es la entrada. Muy bonito, altamente recomendado.
Al amanecer o al anochecer, vamos a disfrutar la vida. Andrés, la chata y buena vida. Venga.
Sherry preparando la comida
Y los perritos diciendo pura vida. Todos compartiendo en armonía. Es la ruta que nos da esa alegría y sentirnos en familia cada día.
It's the good life on the road as we sing.
Come along with us to see all the beauty this world can bring.
It's the good life on the road as we sing.
Come along with us to see all the beauty this world can bring. Buenavidaroute.